I investigate how technology really impacts human experience, especially focusing on the education and communication and health related areas. My name is Jinsil Hwaryoung Seo, an associate professor in the College of Performance Visualization and Fine Arts at Texas A&M. I create virtual reality, augmented reality, and also artificial intelligence applications to support people in challenging situations in the real world. So through those training in those environments, they can experience something not possible in the real world, but they can practice things in virtual world. So hopefully we can make the environment for training that can be repeatable and then empower individuals. I think there are different levels of benefits of this kind of research. Personal level really helps with immersive learning. So students, like learn, certain concept through this type of simulation based work. So also it's different from just watching video, right? They have to do physically things inside of the virtual environment. So like all the knowledge they had to do, they see and then they did kind of like stays on their body. So it's easier for them to memorize things better and then longer, and also they can apply things to real world easier. In terms of institutional benefits, some institutions may not have good resources. So virtual reality environment can provide much affordable and accessible training cases for those institutions have less resources. As you see this content behind me, imagine you have like 50, 60 students in the classroom. Everybody touches like a pregnant real person's belly with a baby. It's not ideal, right? So we provide kind of a safe environment for like standardized patient as well as students, so students can make mistake, and then they can do over and over and then master the knowledge. We also utilize this technology for anatomy education with biomedical science at Texas A&M. Many cases, AI, conversational AI agents, you do kind of one-on-one conversation, but in the hospital setting, when you go hospital, you see like nurse, you see like multiple people like in the rooms at the same time. They have to kind of communicate. There's no good system that supports that multi-layer conversation. So we're developing multi-agent AI system to support one user can communicate with multiple virtual agents like patient and doctor and nurse, those people, and then all those AI agents understand what's going on, so can provide right answer and right time. So those are the current and future works we are focusing on right now.